Okay, friends, here is the query asked by one of our friend in Telegram group. So here I'm going to explain you the query, how to do, what are the ways, and I will show you the two methods. One is with array and another which is without array. It's an array, but it can handle without pressing Control Shift and Enter. So already this is posted by one of our Excel master in group. So here I'm going to explain you what it is actually. See, here actually he added like this. Yes, this is the correct position, correct method. Why? Because we are telling to Excel that if anything value is having any prefix and suffix for this value, okay, pick up that value. It is called a wildcard. It is called a wildcard. Means it is Excel will think that it is having n number of characters, maybe one or more than one. So if it is having anything more than one before and after this value, then it will pick up that value like this. If I change here to D444, see automatically, okay, already it is there. 777, see, where is 77753405340? Right. So this is the method. Okay, 7. Recording or not recording, but not showing. Okay, let it be. Let's try. Let me check whether it's recording or not. Okay. Now, I will explain you this method. Right. I'll explain you this method now. The person asked to pick up the second position value, that is this one. This one. These values should become like this. I did like this. Okay, I will explain you this formula over here now. How I did. Okay. So before that, I will delete these both things. I will show you two methods, guys. As I said, see, first of all, what I'll do. First of all, I want 1 to the characters. How many are there? Total 1 2. Let me check how many are there. Okay. A row of F4. So it will give you from 16 to 20. But I need 1 to 5. I need 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's showing 16 to 20. So I don't want 16 to 20. I want 1 to 5. Okay. Now I will show you the method. Minus of row of this F4, locking from every side. Now pressing F9 to evaluate, and let us check whether it's working perfectly or not. But it will show you 0 to 4. But I need 1 to 5. Simply I add 1 over here. F9. Right. So with helping for making this as a helper, I will do it one amazing thing, that if condition, if anything F4 equal to name 1 F4. I'm not locking this one because I have to drag the formula, comma, and this will be the true. Right. F9. So wherever it finds the value, it will show us the positions, that is 1 and 4. Only 2 name ones are there, so it will pick up that position and it will show, and remaining are all falses. So what I'll do, I want the second position, not the first position. I want the second position. So what I'll do, I simply use this small function to pick up the second position from this array, comma 2. Now, if I press F9, it will pick up the fourth position. If I press 1 over here, it will pick up the first position. Sorry, I pressed F1. If I press 1, it will pick up the first position. If I press 2, it will pick up the second position, second smallest. So I want the second one, not the first one. So simply I will use F2 and press F9. So it will pick up the position that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is here. Right. So simply I use the formula called index. Index of what you need the sales. I'm freezing the cells because I have to drag the formula, and over here I will close the parentheses. Now I'll use not enter. I'll use the special character that is Control Shift and enter. So it will pick up the second position. See, name 1, first one is 305, name 2 9459, and name 2 5850. Right, now wait a minute. Now I will show you this second method without using Control Shift and enter. Yes, that is very easy. As now the same formula I will use but little bit different. There is a ultimate function where we can control, without using Control Shift enter we can do it. I'm copying only this one. Copy, escape. What I'll do, first of all, I'll close parentheses over here and close parentheses and divided by error. See, divided by the criteria, the condition. So what is the condition? Just I want to find whether it is having any truths or falses. Okay. F4 equal to name 1. So any number is divisible by true is that number. Any number divisible by false is divisible by 0 error. See, F9. So these are the positions 1 and 4 and divisible by errors. How to remove, we don't want errors, we are interested only in numbers, so we want to remove that error. So what is the procedure? That is the ultimate function which can handle array. That is called aggregate function. Aggregate. And what I will use the 15. 15 is the smallest, comma. See, I'll show you what is that 15. Here I will show you. Here you can see that 15 is smallest. So double click it, comma 6, comma 6. What is the 6? Ignore errors. Ignore error. 6 is the position where it is saying that if you are having in this array, if anything finds errors, so remove that errors. Not interested in that errors, and pick up the numbers wherever it finds. And what is the position? What the second position? The k value will be the second one. And I highlight and it will show you the answer 4. Right. Control Z. Now simply I use the same function that is called index. Index of what you need. I need the sales for the person, customer names or a person, and just close. See, simply I'm entering, not Control Shift enter. It's an array, but aggregate can handle array. So simply I use only enter. Here you can see that, here you can see the curly brackets over in the formula bar. But here, no curly brackets. This is the difference between two things. Right, guys? And if you have any doubts, let me know in the group or in my video comment box. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.